Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewz Heaven. If you're tired of store-bought tortillas that taste like cardboard, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best tortilla presses that'll bring authentic, homemade flavor straight to your kitchen. Whether you're making tacos, roti, arepas, or even tostones, these presses will make your dough dreams come true. We've rounded up the strongest, smartest, and most stylish options out there, so stay tuned to find the perfect fit for your kitchen. And don't worry, we've included all the product links in the description box below, so you can check them out anytime. Let's press on. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Victoria 8 inches Cast Iron Tortilla Press. Say goodbye to store-bought tortillas and hello to homemade deliciousness. The Victoria 8-inch cast iron tortilla press brings the fiesta to your kitchen. Made in Colombia and seasoned with non-GMO flaxseed oil, it's built tough, like grandma's old pan, but way cooler. This press isn't just strong, it's smart. The flat plates are designed to avoid pinching, because who enjoys surprise finger squashing? And the ergonomic handle? It's built for comfort, not chaos. Even your grumpy uncle can use it without complaining. But wait, don't toss it in the dishwasher. This press is all natural and prefers a little TLC. Just follow the care instructions, because, let's face it, rust is nobody's favorite seasoning. Whether you're flattening tortillas, making roti, or smashing tostones, this thing's got your back. It's basically a workout tool that rewards you with food. What a win. Victoria has been doing this since 1939, so they know their way around cast iron. And honestly, this press is like a tortilla-making legend, minus the mariachi band. Number 2. IMUSA 8-inch USA Tortilla Press. If your store-bought tortillas are starting to taste like cardboard, the IMUSA 8-inch tortilla press might just save dinner and your dignity. Crafted from cast aluminum, it's lightweight, easy to use, and tough enough to press like a pro. Forget struggling with rolling pins and oddly shaped dough blobs. This press gives you round, perfect tortillas with a single push. It's so simple, even your neighbor who can't cook could pass for a tortilla master. And it's not a one-trick pony. From empanadas to dumplings to roti, this press is ready to flatten just about anything, except your dreams. Plus, it's light, easy to clean, and won't take up much counter space. No electric parts, no drama. Just dough, press, and tada. You're now the proud maker of homemade tortillas. Add tacos and maybe a mariachi playlist, and dinner is officially a party. Whether you're new to tortillas or a masa magician, the IMUSA press is the kitchen sidekick you didn't know you needed, but won't want to cook without. Number 3. Alpha Living 8-inch Cast Iron Tortilla Press. Tired of wrestling with rolling pins and ending up with tortillas that look like maps of random countries? The Alpha Living 8-inch tortilla press is here to save your kitchen and your ego. Made of heavy-duty cast iron, it's built tough enough to handle serious dough drama. This press isn't just strong, it's smart. It delivers perfectly round tortillas, empanadas, and even tostones with the grace of a kitchen ninja. Plus, it's rust-resistant and easy to clean. In short, it's tougher than your morning coffee and a lot easier to deal with. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone who just Googled how to make a tortilla, this tool makes pressing dough a total breeze. No batteries, no buzz, just press and impress. And here's the bonus. It's compact enough to bring along to BBQs, camping trips, or awkward family gatherings where food fixes everything. With the Alpha Living Press, every meal can feel like a fiesta, even if it's just Taco Tuesday with your cat. Number 4. Arc 8-inch Cast Iron Tortilla Press. Meet the Arc 8-inch Cast Iron Tortilla Press, the tortilla maker that looks so sleek, it might just steal your kitchen spotlight. With its heavy-duty build and cool stone-look surface, it's like the James Bond of dough flatteners. Tough, stylish, and totally no-nonsense. This press means business. It's got a reinforced, unbreakable handle that laughs in the face of weak wrists. Whether you're making tortillas, tacos, or something totally experimental, hello, taco pizza. This thing presses like a pro. It even comes with 100 parchment papers, because sticking dough to metal is as annoying as losing Wi-Fi mid-Netflix. Just sandwich your dough, press, and peel. It's that easy, no yoga skills needed. And with 4 size options, there's an arc press for everyone, from solo taco nights to full-on fiesta mode. Just remember, hand wash only. This press doesn't like bubble baths. Bottom line, the arc tortilla press is strong, smooth, and ready to flatten your dough, and maybe a few kitchen myths while it's at it. Number 5. VEVOR 10-inch cast iron heavy-duty tortilla press. When it comes to tortilla presses, bigger really is better, and the VEVOR 10-inch cast iron tortilla press is proof. This heavyweight champ doesn't just press tortillas, it flattens doubts, fears, and maybe even your to-do list. With its extra-large surface, it's perfect for flour tortillas, roti, or that oops too big dough blob. Crafted from rust-resistant cast iron and pre-seasoned with non-GMO flaxseed oil, this press is built to last longer than your latest diet. It even rocks a sleek stone-style finish, because who said tortilla makers can't be runway ready? The handle? Reinforced and strong enough to press with one hand while you text with the other. Not recommended, but still impressive. And with 100 parchment papers included, sticky dough is no longer your kitchen enemy. From tacos to pizzas to pita bread, this press handles it all like a culinary multitasker. No assembly needed. Just press, peel, and pretend you're a pro chef. Whether at home or in a restaurant, the VEVOR press is ready to roll, literally. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best tortilla presses. Whether you're making tacos, rotis, or empanadas, there's a perfect press waiting for you. All the buying links are in the description box below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching Reviewz Heaven.